Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you this StabiliGrip rigid floor we have installed in our GMC Savana. This is from legendfleet. It is their top of the line solid floor. Let me tell you a couple of things that I love about this floor. Number one is that it is composite. It's super rigid. It almost reminds me of plywood, but it doesn't have any of the downsides of plywood, meaning it's not going to soak up moisture or rot or just deteriorate as you're using it for a work surface in the back of your van. Now this has a grippy surface on top. It's almost like a sandpaper kind of feel. It's extreme grip. It's not going to, you're not going to slide around on this floor. Now the thing about most floors is that when they get wet, they lose about 80% of their traction. Now with the StabiliGrip, it only loses about 20%. So you're gonna be, feeling very safe and secure on this floor, even if you have wet boots or whatever you may be bringing into the van. Now you can see this is a three-piece floor. Piece right here, middle piece, and then third piece. And it's joined by this black aluminum H channel. And the way that they shape the floor where these combine is actually one flush surface across here, so you can still load your carts, your skids, and your other equipment over top of the threshold, and you're gonna have a flush surface. That's one of the things I love about how they designed this floor. You'd also see we have cutouts right here for our factory cargo rings, our D-rings, so you can still strap your things down, which is another great addition. This is a precision cut floor. Goes around our wheel wells, goes around our fuel fill area right here. It's designed to fit this specific wheelbase, this specific van, so it's just a perfect fit floor. Installation is also super simple. All you have to do is take it out of the box, put it in place. You do have to do some glue on these H channels right here, which adds a little bit of time. But other than that, you're all set. Now, one thing you want to add with this floor, really any floor, is some sills at the doors. So on our rear door and our side door here, we have some steel sills from legendfleet. These are the high visibility yellow sills. So again, clearly going to stand out. It matches our little grab handles we have on the side doors as well. It's just going to be a solid, safe location to make your step into the van. Another great thing about the solid floor is that you're not going to feel any of the ribbing in the floor of the van. If you've got one of those flexible floors, a rubber floor, or something like that, you're going to feel that ribbing as you walk around or crawl around in the back of the van. With a solid floor, it sits on top of that ribbing. You're not going to feel any of that, so it's going to be a nice, stable surface. Now, although it does have that extreme grip, you can still load your pallets and skids on here, put them in place, slide them along the floor, and it's gonna still work okay in those applications. It's not gonna get snagged up like that can happen with some of the rubber style floors. Now, if you're looking for this floor or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. We've got what you need. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.